Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of forensic science. Our presentation, titled Foundations and Future of Forensic Science, will take us on a journey through its evolution, the cutting edge techniques being used today, practical applications, and the challenges that lie ahead in modern forensic investigations. I'm excited to explore this with you all and shed light on how forensic science continues to shape justice and technology. Forensic science is all about applying scientific methods and principles to investigate crimes. It's a field that uses science to uncover the truth behind criminal activities. In the criminal justice system, forensics plays a crucial role by providing objective and evidence based insights. These insights help identify suspects, establish key facts, and support legal proceedings, ensuring that decisions are based on solid proof. Essentially, forensics acts as a bridge between scientific expertise and law enforcement, making sure that the results we get are both accurate and reliable, which is vital for solving crimes effectively. Forensic science has a rich history that stretches back centuries, with some of the earliest practices, like fingerprint identification, originating in the 19th century. One of the pivotal figures during that time was Francis Galton, who developed a system for classifying fingerprints, laying the groundwork for their use in criminal investigations. Around the same period, Matthew Orfalea made significant contributions by establishing toxicology as a scientific discipline, which helped in detecting poisons and understanding their effects. Moving into modern times, forensic science has evolved dramatically thanks to advances in chemistry, biology, and technology. Today, we have powerful tools like DNA profiling and digital evidence analysis that allow us to solve crimes with unprecedented accuracy and detail. These milestones innovations have truly transformed forensic science into the sophisticated field it is today. When we talk about core forensic disciplines, four key areas come into focus. First, DNA analysis. This involves examining genetic material, which is incredibly unique to each person, allowing us to identify individuals with a high degree of certainty. Next is fingerprinting. Here, we compare ridge patterns on fingers to match prints found at crime scenes, making it one of the oldest and most reliable forensic methods. Then there's toxicology. This field focuses on detecting and interpreting the presence of poisons and drugs in the body, which can provide crucial information about cause of death or impairment. Finally, ballistics involves the study of firearms, bullets, and their trajectories, helping to link weapons to crimes and reconstruct shooting events. Each of these disciplines plays a vital role in piecing together evidence and solving cases. When investigating a crime scene, the first and most crucial step is securing the area. This means preventing anyone from entering or disturbing the scene to avoid contamination of evidence. Next, we document the scene thoroughly, using photographs and detailed notes to capture everything as it was found. After that, evidence must be collected carefully and systematically to preserve its integrity. This means using proper tools and techniques to avoid damaging or altering the items. Finally, maintaining the chain of custody is vital. This involves keeping a detailed record of who handles the evidence, from the moment it's collected until it's analyzed, ensuring it remains credible and can be confidently presented in court. These steps form the foundation of a reliable crime scene investigation. When we talk about types of evidence, there are four main categories to keep in mind. First, physical evidence. These are tangible objects like weapons, fibers, or fingerprints that can directly link a suspect to a crime scene. Then, we have biological evidence, which includes things like blood, hair, saliva, and other bodily fluids. This type of evidence is crucial in identifying individuals through DNA analysis. Next is chemical evidence, involving substances such as drugs or toxins that might have played a role in the incident. Finally, digital evidence encompasses data extracted from electronic devices like computers and smartphones. This kind of evidence can provide insights into communications, locations, and activities related to the case. Each type plays a vital role in building a comprehensive understanding of the crime. Now, let's talk about some essential laboratory techniques. First up is DNA sequencing. This technique is all about determining the exact genetic code, which is incredibly useful for identifying organisms or genetic traits. Next, we have chromatography. This method helps us separate complex chemical mixtures, so we can detect and analyze individual substances within them. Finally, spectroscopy involves measuring how matter interacts with electromagnetic radiation. By doing this, we can identify different compounds based on their unique spectral signatures. These techniques are fundamental in many fields of research and diagnostics. Forensic science plays a crucial role in crime solving by connecting suspects to crime scenes through physical or biological evidence. This kind of evidence can reveal crucial links that might not be obvious otherwise. Additionally, forensic findings are instrumental in verifying or disproving alibis, using solid scientific data to confirm or challenge a suspect's claims. Beyond investigations, forensic evidence is presented in court to support the findings, providing clear and reliable information for judges and juries. Ultimately, because this evidence is objective and based on facts, it helps improve the accuracy and fairness of the justice process, ensuring that decisions are made based on trustworthy information. One of the most famous applications of forensic science is the use of fingerprinting to identify suspects in the Jack the Ripper cases back in the early 1900s. This was one of the first times fingerprinting was seriously considered as a tool in criminal investigations. Moving forward, DNA evidence has played an even more critical role, especially in exonerating individuals who were wrongly convicted. The Innocence Project is a prime example, where DNA testing has helped free many innocent people from prison. Another key technique is ballistic analysis, which has been instrumental in solving high-profile shootings by linking bullets to specific firearms. Together, these cases highlight how forensic science has fundamentally transformed law enforcement, making investigations more accurate and justice more attainable. Forensic science, while incredibly valuable, does face some significant challenges. One major issue is evidence contamination or degradation, which can seriously compromise the reliability of test results. Additionally, human error during analysis or interpretation can impact the overall accuracy, leading to potential mistakes. Technological limitations also play a role, as sometimes the tools and methods available might not be sensitive or precise enough to detect crucial details. To overcome these hurdles, it's essential to have strict protocols in place, ensure continuous training for professionals, and regularly validate the methods used to maintain the highest standards of accuracy and reliability. When we look to the future of forensics, there are some exciting developments on the horizon. First, artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize the field by automating pattern recognition and data analysis. This means investigations can be faster and more accurate, freeing up experts to focus on complex cases. Next, the development of new biomarkers will allow for faster and more precise detection of evidence, which can be crucial in solving crimes more efficiently. Lastly, advancements in digital forensics are essential as cybercrime becomes increasingly complex. Better tools and techniques in this area will help law enforcement keep up with sophisticated digital threats. Together, these trends promise to significantly enhance both investigative capabilities and judicial outcomes.